This is verse 29 of the 22nd chapter, Gospel of Matthew. The question has been put to Jesus by the Sadducees, in which they're attempting to show the absurdity in their minds of resurrection, using the story of a woman and her 7 husbands. You're familiar with the story, and Jesus, now having heard the question they pose, gives this initial response, apokrythes. This is the past participle, aorist participle of apokrynomai, I answer. So having answered, postpositive da, ho Jesus, the Jesus. So Jesus having answered, apen, said, third person singular, aorist active indicative, autois, indirect object, dative, masculine, plural, usually translated Jesus answered and said. And then planastha, from planao, means to wander. This is the actually in the passive. You are greatly deceived would be the idea. It's in the passive, meaning suggesting something has led them astray, probably their own particular ethical outlook, which has necessitated their rejection of resurrection. So you are greatly deceived. You've wandered from the proper path. Here's the idea. Planet, of course, is the word we get in English that wanders in the sky, so to speak, not moving with the rest of the stars. Of course, that's the idea. Me, edotes, from edo, I see or I know. This is the perfect participle, so not having not known and continuing to not know. Tas graphos, direct object, the writings. This is the accusative plural. Meda, nor, so you haven't known this or that. You haven't known the writings, and you haven't known tain, dunamin, the power, to theou of God. So on 2 counts, these Sadducees have been misled. They have, though they claim to be those who followed the Torah, at least the first 5 books, they weren't following those, really. They haven't known the Scriptures. They haven't known the power of God. And Jesus, of course, is going to educate them on both of those points in the ensuing conversation.